If you have never had your home broken into, you would think getting one of these is a waste of money. But don't be a victim. Surveillance is absolutely crucial at home, work, or anywhere else. Hey guys, Joseph Hart here. Today we are diving into the world of CCTV cameras with the V380 Pro 4G surveillance camera, and I will also guide you on how to set it up. But first, inside the box you'll find a power adapter, camera, waterproof connectors, screws, and a user manual. The V380 Pro 4G surveillance camera has a tough plastic shell which makes it durable and weather resistant. With an IP66 rating, it is dust and waterproof, and its dimensions are as stated. It has a pair of wireless antenna on each side and a pedestal for mounting at the bottom. At the face of the camera lies a high definition lens, a photosensitive resistance, and some LEDs and infrared. There is also a speaker at the back. Directly attached to it is a power port for the power adapter and RJ45 network port for establishing a stable connection, and a reset button. Aside from the RJ45 port, there is a 4G SIM card slot under the hood, which you can easily insert a SIM card into like this. Note that you cannot use the same SIM card for multiple cameras, meaning if you use your SIM card for one V380 camera, you can't use it in another camera. Aside from the SIM card slot, there is also a trans flash card slot. What I'm referring to is a memory card slot. It supports up to 128GB. Surprisingly, the V380 Pro supports cloud storage, but that will cost you. Setting up the camera can be very simple. Firstly, connect the power port on the camera to the power adapter, then plug in the power adapter and power it on. You will hear several voice prompts as the camera comes on. There are several QR codes on the package, although the one with the camera icon didn't work for me, but any of these two will ultimately take you to the V380 app download page. Proceed to download and install the V380 Pro app. It's available on both Android and iOS. Set up an account to proceed. You will see some tips and instructions in the app. Tap the plus icon and scan the QR code on the camera. Follow the prompts accordingly. Type in the Wi-Fi password that your device is connected to and tap confirm to generate a QR code. Place your phone in front of the camera to scan the QR code.
Configuration received. Wi-Fi connecting.
Next, set up the name of the camera and tap finish. Tap here to set up a password for the camera and tap confirm to proceed. Tap here to use the camera. You might need to update the camera firmware. After the update, the camera will restart. Tap here to use the camera, and that's it. The V380 Pro 4G surveillance camera has advanced capabilities that make it stand out. It supports easy control and monitoring with a dedicated V380 Pro app. It has a built-in microphone and speaker for two-way audio communication. Its AI functions include motion detection and optional AI human intrusion detection for instant alerts through email photo or local alarms on your device. It has various night vision options including infrared night vision, full color night vision, and intelligent night vision. Powered by 6 white and 6 infrared LEDs, its night vision ranges from 10 to 20 meters. The V380 Pro is capable of indoor and outdoor use. It supports auto tracking in the horizontal direction. Features 10x digital zoom for capturing distant details, a 3 megapixel 4mm lens for high definition footage, 350 degrees horizontal rotation, 90 degrees tilt rotation, and 85 degrees viewing angle that can cover a broad field of vision. It supports multiple simultaneous phone viewing, allowing your family to stay connected from different devices. The V380 Pro's embedded Linux system and ARM chip structure are compatible with Windows, Windows Mobile, Android, and iOS. Its CMOS sensor and CE certificates ensure quality and reliability. The V380 Pro 4G CCTV camera is a versatile, intelligent AI-powered device capable of many use cases. It is durable, easy to use, and easy to set up. What are your thoughts? If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.